Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. You put it one side. Okay, the back is a rubber. Okay, it's just a clip. You just try to open the clip. Just put the pencil like this. Open it right round. Okay, just be careful for the fingerprint when you try to open the back cover. Okay, just open it right round like this. Be careful, don't scratch the phone that much. Make sure you just put it the right side before you press in. Okay, just open it like this. All is clip. Just be careful, don't scratch the phone, and be careful with the fingerprint also when you open the cover. Okay, open it like this slowly. Okay, just fold it, open it like this way. Be careful with the fingerprints. Okay, then you take out all the screws. So many screws, you need to take out all the screws. Take out all the screw. Okay, you need to open this one and open this one because this LCD have two connectors. One goes to the motherboard, another one comes to the charging system. Okay, make sure you take out all the screw back of the phone. After I take out all the screw, okay, you open this first clip. Be careful, just open it. Put it one side. It's going to the fingerprint cable. Put it one side. It's going to the battery. Okay, this going to the LCD cable. This one, okay. Then you open the down one here also. Okay, disconnect this other connector here. Okay, now you need to put out the heat machine for 10 to 15 minutes so this LCD will just the glue will become weak. Then you open it. If you don't have it, you can try to force to open it at home, and be careful, don't scratch the phone. Okay, after you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, you just try to open it. Okay, open it right now. Okay, remove the LCD. Okay, now you need to remove all the glue. Make sure you clean it very nice so the new glue can fix perfectly. Clean it right around the phone. Okay, make sure you clean it right around the phone. After I clean the glue right around, okay, now you need to apply the new glue. Just put it right around like this. Okay, don't put on top of the sensor, don't put on top of the front camera, just put close to it. Okay, just put it right around. Okay, just make sure you put it right around the phone. Okay, after I put the glue right around the phone, okay, now it's time to fix the new LCD. You make sure you open the warranty sticker a bit so the LCD can rest properly. Okay, remove it. Okay, this big connector, you just pass it here, and the small one you pass the other side. Okay, make sure you fold this connector a bit so you can have way to pass properly. Okay, just pass the big one this side. Okay, you pass the small on the other side there, like that. You put the LCD very straight, don't bend it. Make sure the LCD very straight like this. Okay, then you connect the LCD cable. Make sure you connect it very nice. Get the right position before you press the connector down. Don't force to press it down, you don't spoil the connector. You fix the charging system one also. Okay, then you fix the cover. Okay, you fix the top one also, but you make sure you fix the battery terminal first. Okay, then you fix the fingerprint cable. Make sure you have the right position before you press it in. Be careful you don't spoil the fingerprint cable. Okay, fix the fingerprint cable. Okay, then you fix the cover. Okay, so many screw, you have to make sure you place all the screw back of the phone. Okay, make sure you place all the screw back of the phone. Okay, after you put the screw right round, okay, now you just need to close the cover. Make sure you put it straight. Okay, close it down. Make sure you fix the clip very nice. Okay, all this clip. Okay, then you put the SIM tray. Okay, don't worry about the glue. When the glue is dry, then you can remove the plastic. There's a plastic here. The screen is very clean inside. Then you put this rubber here at least for 10 to 15 minutes so the glue become dry. Okay, put the top here also. Okay, now you just on the phone and see if the LCD is coming on. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is coming on. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.